Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart bed. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart bed, and you can do it by tapping on the screen, double tapping basically, like this, or you can press the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of the device together, so if you press both of them at the same time, you're gonna wake up the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the touch sensitive buttons again to open the quick settings, like this. And once you open the quick settings, scroll down through the menu, find the option called D&D, and to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on this icon. And once you tap on it, the icon will be highlighted and you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can press the side buttons again to go back to the watch face. And that's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, simply press and hold the touch sensitive buttons again to open the quick settings, and then scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and tap on it to disable the mode. Like this, the icon will be grayed out, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, and then you can press the touch sensitive buttons to go back to watch face. And that's how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. And you can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So we can press the touch sensitive buttons to wake up the screen, and once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon, and then tap on settings icon to enter. So let's enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and find the option called Do Not Disturb. Once you find this option, tap on it, and here you have Do Not Disturb mode, and you have, as you can see, it says off. If you tap on this option, it will change to on, and it means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, of course. And if you tap on it again, it will change to off, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. Also, if you enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can scroll down and enable exercise Do Not Disturb mode, or disable it basically. I believe if you enable it, what it does is when you're exercising and you're tracking your exercise on the smart band, you will have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled and you won't get any notifications during the exercise. And if you disable it, you will get the notifications during the exercise. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the touch sensitive buttons a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.